In this video, we discussed Mendel was successful because means in previous video we discussed Mendelism. Yeah, previous video we discussed Mendelism. So 8 years we researchers going on there. Okay, so after performing for this 8 years from this that experiments in plant hybridization. So that plant is Cordon-Peas Pisum sativum. So why it is that successful? Why it is that successful? Statistical methods it will be followed. Okay? So in the biology statistical methods it will be followed. Do you know that's laws of probability? In the breeding experiment, during that breeding experiments, the laws of probability it will be maintained, and also for the statistical techniques key is used. Key is used means Mendel is used. Next, he followed by the scientific methods, accurate details, records will be followed. Outcome of this that crosses. Okay, every details and the time, so length, inch, everything, climate, environments, everything it will be accurately records. It will be followed after this in the classes. So next, large number of samples we will taken. So that's why it will be very successful. So suppose if you taken, he is taken from this few amounts of, some will be destroyed. For this environmental conditions it will be affected. What happened? Totally it will be waste. So large number of samples it will be used by this plant. So the experiments is successful, and also for carefully planned. So planning and then it will be used. So it will be successful. So next, pair of characters. He will selected this plant is very careful. So that plant also it is that important one in successful part. So the pair of contrasting characters are here, and also genes are here in this plant. Okay, separate chromosomes are here. The parents are selected. Mendel. Pure lining. So the progenies for many generations. Pure lining. Pure grasses are here, so it will be selected for that in the generations. So next one it is Mendel's experimental system, the Gordon-Pear. So first we discussed about this, why the Mendel's experiment is successful. Second, we discussed Mendel's experimental system, the Gordon-Pear. Why choose this plant? Why choose this plant? This plant is first one, it is annual. So Mendel's success was partly due to this careful choice of experimental material. First you choose the experimental material. Okay, carefully choose the experimental material. So careful choice of experimental material. His use of the Gordon-Pear was not accidental, but was a result of long carefully through these reasons. So pear plant was easily to cultivate. And being an annual plant. But was reserved very accurately. Result is very accurately. This annual plant has clear contrasting characters are here. Okay, so it is cultivate and being annual to form one generation to next only one growing season. Only one growing seasons are here. So next, the pears are many sharply defined, distinguished, inherited differences which were available as different varieties are here. Okay. So next one, it is controlled by single gene separately. So next one, the reproductive structure was completely enclosed by pentals, so that plant was naturally self-pollinating. Plants are naturally self-pollinating. As a result, varieties are produced same characteristics, generation after generation, same characteristics of generation after generation. That means pure breeding. So artificial grasses also it will be taken. Cross breeding. Artificial cross breeding between varieties was Quite possible, and resulting hybrids were completely fertile. So emasculation takes place. Emasculation means male stamens and transferred to the disseminated sense. Emasculation, male reproductive part will be cut. That is emasculation. So class logicals, emasculation and pollination are very easy for hybridization. Emasculation is very easy. Emasculation means male reproductive part will be destroyed or cut. Okay. So next, Mendel's experiments on Bia plants. Mendel's experiments. Mendel theory of experiments in the particular theory. So we called out for this genes. First we called out of this hereditary genes. So now we are called out of this genes. So in previous periods, some of the scientists are told that or asked that hereditary units are factors. That minute particles are here in the chromosomes. That minute particles called as hereditary units or factors. Now we are called as genes. See, if performed for that genes only, artificial pollination and cross pollinations experiment with the several group readings, everything it will be happen in that minute particles. So a group reading means, so continuous self-pollination is here. Do you know that continuous pollination, continuous variation, discontinuous variations we will discuss. So pure breeding. In the continuous variation, okay, and then this continuous self-pollination is stable trait parent to offsprings. Mating with the pure lines offsprings have the specific parental traits are constant. So specific parental traits it will be constant. So expression of many generations. Pure line breeding refers to this homozygosity only. Fusion of male and female gamete produced by the same individuals. Pollen and eggs are the derived from the same parent is known as self-pollination. So, இதில் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா, first we called out of this that the minute particles chromosomes-குள்ளே இருந்ததை minute particles என்ன சொன்னாங்க அப்படின்னா, minute particles என்ன சொன்னாங்க அப்படின்னா hereditary units, factors. பட் நம்ம இப்போ என்ன சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா ஜீன்ஸ்னு சொல்கிறோம். அந்த ஜீன்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் பாலினேஷனும் ஆர் கிராஸ் பாலினேஷனும் it will be done. ஸோ அதோட மட்டும்தான் என்ன செய்யும் நடக்கும். பட் இதனால் ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகுறது என்னதுன்னா பியோர் ப்ரீடிங் ஸ்ட்ரெயின்ஸ். புதுசாக என்ன செய்யும் அப்படின்னா ஒரு அக்யூரேட்டான ஒரு ஜீன்ஸ் வந்து கரெக்டாக உருவாகும். அது பர்டிகுலர்லி இந்த பைசம் சட்டிவம் பிளான்ட்டில் எத்தனை தடவை ஹவு மெனி டைம்ஸ் யூ ஹவ் டு செல்ஃப் பாலினேஷன் இஸ் டேக்ஸ் பிளேஸ். பட் அதோட பேரண்ட்லேருந்து ஆஃப் ஸ்ப்ரிங்ஸ் போகிற ஜீன்ஸ் எல்லாமே கான்ஸ்டண்ட்டாக இருந்துச்சு. பேரண்டல் ட்ரேட்ஸ் தட் ஆர் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் இந்த இன்கிரிடியன்ஸ் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் ஃபார் மெனி ஜென்ரேஷன். எத்தனை ஜென்ரேஷன் எடுத்தால் 10, 20, 30, 30 எந்த எத்தனை ஜென்ரேஷன் எடுத்தாலும் அந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷன்ஸ் எப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா பேரண்டோட தான் இருந்துச்சு. பட் பியோர்லின் ரெஃபர்ஸ் டு திஸ் ஹோமோசைகோசிட்டி ஒன்லி. ஒன்று போல தான் இருக்கும். ஹோமோசைகோசிட்டி மீன்ஸ் ஹோமோ மீன்ஸ் சேம் கேரக்டர்ஸாக தான் இருந்துச்சு. ஃபியூஷன் ஆஃப் மேல் அண்ட் ஃபீமேல் கேமீட்டை வந்து நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும் அப்படின்னா சேம் பிளான்ட்டில் இட் இஸ் ஏ மொனோசியஸ் பிளான். ஸோ மேல் அண்ட் ஃபீமேல் ரெண்டுமே இருக்கிறதுனால செல்ஃப் பாலினேஷன் இஸ் டேக்ஸ் பிளேஸ். ஸோ அப்போ மெண்டல்ஸ் பியாஸில் ஸோ இந்த எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் இப்போ என்ன செய்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா இமாஸ்குலேஷன் அப்படிங்கிறது என்னதுன்னா ஸோ இட் வில் பி ரிமூவ்ட் ஃப்ரம் திஸ் மேல். So it will be emasculation before fertilization, transfer pollen from the anther variety PR to the stigma of flowers. Where anthers are removed, that means male reproductive part it will be removed from this plant. So you understand, male reproductive part will be removed from this plant. Emasculation, okay. So Mendel had removed only 2 stamens that transferred from the disseminated. Disseminated means it will be removed. That is called this cross pollination. That's why the cross pollination takes place. But that results cross fertilization. So hybrid varieties and different traits it will be produced. So Mendel's work on the study ingredients and principles laws or will be formulated. So the laws are formed. The laws are formed. Now constant this Mendelian genetics. Now we will call this Mendelian genetics. Or you understand? You see that? it will be removed from this the male sex organ. So in this scissor we will use for this that sterile scissor it will be used. Okay, next it will be comes from the pollen of the white flower. This is white flower, this is the purple flower. Okay, this is taken from transfer to the pistil to the purple flower. இதில் வந்து எடுத்து என்ன செய்கிறாங்க இதில் போடுறாங்க. So the fertilized pistils or becomes spots. So the becomes and then since it will be matured. Seeds on the each spot is ready to be planted. So இதை என்ன செய்கிறாங்க மறுபடியும் பிளான்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. All offsprings are purple. எல்லா offsprings எப்படி இருக்குது பர்பிளாக இருக்குது. ஒரு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? So why this maintenance ஓட success ஆச்சு? ஏன் successful ஆச்சு? So preliminary investigations were carried out, develop familiarity with the experimental material. So familiarity with the experimental material. So attention was focused only one variable at a time. ஒரே ஒரு variable at a time. This simplifying the observation to be recorded. Accurate record will be maintained. Accurate record were maintained. All the experiments and results obtained for the offsprings. Okay, so great care was taken in carrying out all the experiments, eliminating chances of cross pollination. Okay, so next sufficient data were collected from statistical analysis. When Mendel called out the factors. So Mendel first called out, when Mendel called out these factors not today known as genes present on the chromosomes in the nucleus. So position of allele on the chromosome is called as locus. Okay, next video we will discuss.